Siasa mpatho na murutira jwa chioni chionekete kuingia bonene nyuma ya Rigathi Gachagua kwingatwa gitine na kindiki gukurukwa ni mbunge mbere ya koti kurungika kunyuithwa muma kwawe. Gachagua atathikirwa narwa nawe Gachagua nonekete kuga uturo bwawe buri ugwatine bonene na untu bwa mukarikira Ruto niwe uri nyuma ya thina chiawe. Kiuria kiria kinene ndikethira mantu jaja jonthe ja gwita na mbere jakaguna mukenya uria uinyiritwe bonene ni uturo. Morgan Mwiti na Gichunki gya siasa.
Kwe aramisi nthiru mathaja utuku mbunge ya Senate ya kurukia rori rwa mbunge nene rukweberia munini wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua obichi na gukurukira impeachment.
Senate has resolved to remove from office by impeachment His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua AGH, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Accordingly, His Excellency Rigathi Gachagua AGH ceases to hold office.
Rwari rurugita na mbere mbungeni ya Senate Paul Mwite uranu otongeretie njore ya mawakili ba Gachagua atumiria ati Gachagua atikuigo bwega ende rwari rweta na mbere runene ntuku ya Jumaa Rais Ruto anenkanira rieto ria Minister wokaria bwandene Professor Kithure Kindiki munini oe.
I have a message from the President on the nomination of Professor Kithure Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Nyuma ya Speaker mbunge nene Moses Wetangula gutumiria rendekithia ra Rais abunge 236 baringa yes na gukurukia rieto ria Kindiki.
Buri muruithania rendekire Mugambi. Central Imenti, Moses Ngochine.
Mawakili ba Gachagua bakinyante toije koti na koti yarongeka kunyuithwa muma kwa Professor Kithure Kindiki. Igerekerera thirikari ya kugitaria ontu bubu gukurukira Attorney General Dorcas Odor na ruratira iga. Kuma ntuku ya Aramisi nayo ntuku ya Narua Rigathi Gachagua kiamuthia na acokeria kathari. Akiere nyuma ya kuma sibitari Gachagua naugite ati we na arigari muno ni ura Rais Ruto amukunyanirite.
It's the most unfortunate thing that has ever happened in this country. That you can be so vicious to a man who helped you to be president. And the crime of this man, telling you the truth. Don't evict people without compensation, Mr. President. Mr. President, don't overtax people. You are killing them, you are killing their businesses. Don't force a housing program on people. If people do not want these houses, don't force them. My only problem with the president is just being truthful because nobody else can tell him. The framers of the 2010 Constitution wanted a deputy president who is elected as a buffer who can stand for the people. The charity we are being treated for, too, is get rid of an elected deputy president and appoint a control freak. A fellow you appoint who cannot ask a question, who cannot say anything. And I'm sure if they succeed, he'll be asked to sign an undated resignation letter so that in case he starts asking questions, he can just be told to resign.
Gachagua nande ariuga uturo bwawe buri ugwatine na gintu gikeza kumukarikira kana njewe Rais Ruto niwe ubatere kurwa kiuria.
I want the people of Kenya to know that as I go home today, I have no security. And it's good that they know. And if anything happens to me or my family, President William Ruto must be held to account.
Ni untu Gachagua ariuga kuri na magerekeria kathumba za kuzukia uturo bwawe.
I want to tell the people of Kenya that I don't feel safe. And for the first time, let me say that on 30th of August in Kisumu, undercover security agents entered my room in Kisumu and bagged it. And one of them tried to poison my food. But we detected it and we were able to escape the scheme. I was supposed to be killed through poisoning. On 3rd of September in Nyeri, another team from the National Intelligence Service came to Nyeri and tried to poison food that was meant for me and Kikuyu Council of Elders. I did report this matter to the National Intelligence Service, and the officers who were assigned to my office, I asked them to leave because I felt I was not safe.
Nteto iji chegio kunyaneri Gachagua kiringithitie urorari waziri wa urimi Mithika Linturi na ugite ati we na Gachagua ni baringi kathanjuga kanene ni Rais William Ruto na bati gwitikia mwanka thai. Linturi ariuga ibakwirira muno gwitikia Rais Ruto na ndikira batiki bakiuga iwo ikethiro indaije.
I can tell you for free and without any fear, when you are making negotiations, when you are structured, you come out stronger, you are better, and you cannot easily be targeted. And I will tell you how I regret today that today I regret, because you know I've been a politician for a long time. I'm a practicing one. And why I'm telling you we have to open up our eyes now, because we do not want regrets in the future. That because, you know, we were very close to the president, and you know the kind of war and the kind of push that we did. And you know, I've always been very firm in something that I believe in. Katiba yako reta kidomo, eto toada nderere kibage no ara. Arungami next kin. Uhuru Kenyatta no to support William Ruto. I could attack Yongo and Damora, I don't care. Right? We'll go with William Ruto. When we went with William Ruto, we worked so hard, we got government, and the only thing I regret is that whenever Mbondos was negotiating, using a political party, signing agreements, Gachagua and I said, no, let us proceed, we believe and we trust you. So tuende hakuna shida. Now nebo to wera ko bora o manda ko ndo bora maana ko da bwana bwana ki furano kana ya magumba kwa aju na kyo baraba mbere kuumia meveka na laino
Morgan Muti, Gichunki ya siasa, Weru TV.